These apps appears show
How
you
to set contact photo and poster in iPhone. So if you want to set a contact poster for a specific contact in your contact list, here's how to do it. First of all, open the phone app or contact app, and now tap on the contact where you want to set a poster, and now tap on edit. Tap on add photo, and now you can create a contact photo or contact poster using a photo from your gallery, or you can create a new poster using memoji or monogram. So let's create a poster using photo. Now tap on all to see all photos app, and here scroll down and search for a photo to add to the contact poster. Once the photo added, you can pinch the photo to zoom in or zoom out. And now, if you want to add an effect to the poster, you can swipe to this left side like this. Or if you want to add a random color to the poster, tap on this color box here, and you can pick a color from this list. Once done, you can tap on this contact name, and you can change the contact name font from here. You can make the contact name font bold from here. You can change the color. Once done, tap on done. Tap on continue. Tap on continue. Tap on done. Tap on contact photo and poster, and here we can see I've successfully created a poster for this contact. So this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below, and please make sure to subscribe to this